Hello guys, welcome back to the social studies of class 2nd, and this is your chapter number 21, Great Indians. By the end of this chapter, you will know when and where were Rabindranath Tagore, Sarojini Naidu and C.V. Raman born. ये कहाँ पैदा हुए थे? The contribution they made to the country और country के लिए इनका क्या contribution रहा था, ये दोनों चीजें आपको by the end of this chapter पता लग जाएंगी. So let's begin our chapter number 21, Great Indians. So first हम लोग पढ़ेंगे about Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was born on the 7th May 1861 in Kolkata. तो रविन्द्रनाथ आप देख सकते हैं, ये फोटो है रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर की. रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर पैदा हुए थे कोलकाता में on 7th March 1861 में. He was a great poet. So who was Rabindranath Tagore? Rabindranath Tagore was a very great poet who born in Kolkata on 7th May 1861. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for his book Gitanjali. उनको गीतांजलि नाम की एक बुक जो उन्होंने लिखी थी उसके लिए उन्हें ग्रेट नोबेल प्राइज भी मिला था. He was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize. So he was the first Indian who ever get the first Nobel Prize. So if somebody asks you who was the first Indian who get the Nobel Prize, so Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian who get the Nobel Prize. And for what he get the Nobel Prize? He get his Nobel Prize for the book which he write, and the name of the book was Gitanjali. He wrote our national anthem Jan Gan Man, and he also wrote our national anthem, that is Jan Gan Man, जो कि हम लोग गाते हैं at the time of flag hosting on Independence Day and Republic Day, and it was wrote by the Rabindranath Tagore. He founded the Vishwa Bharati University at शांति निकेतन. तो इन्होंने ही विश्व भारती यूनिवर्सिटी जो है शांति निकेतन में, वो इन्होंने फाउंड की थी, इन्होंने बनाई थी. स्टार फैक्ट है, रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर वाज पॉपुलरली नोन एज गुरुदेव. रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर को हम गुरुदेव के नाम से भी जानते हैं. इफ समबडी आस्क यू which great personality of India is known as Gurudev, so you can tell them Rabindranath Tagore is also known as Gurudev. Now the second great personality of India is in Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born on 13th February 1879. Sarojini Naidu 13th February 1879 को she born in Hyderabad. She grew up to become a great poetess. ये एक great poetess बनी. She was known as the Nightingale of India, और इनको Nightingale of India भी कहा जाता है. If somebody asks you who is called as the Nightingale of India, then your answer should be Sarojini Naidu. She also took part in India's freedom struggle, और उन्होंने इंडिया के आजादी के स्ट्रगल में भी पार्टिसिपेट किया था. She became the president of the Indian National Congress in 1925. वो इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस की प्रेसिडेंट बनी थी 1925 में. When India became free, she became the governor of उत्तर प्रदेश. और जब इंडिया फ्री हुआ था, then she became the governor of उत्तर प्रदेश. She died on 1st May 1949, and when she died on 1st May 1949. Third great personality of India is C.V. Raman. इनका नाम था चंद्रशेखर वेंकटा रमन. Was born on 7th November 1888 at Tiruchinappalli in Tamil Nadu. इन ये कहाँ जन्मे थे? ये 7th November 1888 को तिरुचिनापल्ली, जो कि तमिलनाडु में है, he born there. He was a brilliant student. वो बहुत एक brilliant student थे. His favorite subject was physics, और इनका favorite subject था physics. He made a discovery which is now known as the Raman effect. इन्होंने एक बहुत great discovery की थी जिसे रमन इफेक्ट के नाम से जाना जाता है. He was the first Indian scientist to win the Nobel Prize, and ये first Indian scientist थे जिनको Nobel Prize मिला था. He was C.V. Raman. This is the end of the chapter number 21. आप इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कीजिए एंड आई होप आप इजीली इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कर पाएंगे नाउ. एंड इफ यू फील एनी प्रॉब्लम यू कैन आस्क अस इन द कमेंट. वी विल डेफिनेटली give you reply and help you. Thank you so much.